Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. You may have heard of putting an onion in your sock at night. In fact, I made an entire video on it. I love any sort of home remedy DIY. I've tried it all, but I got something that I think works even better for you, especially if you have dry, cracked heels, you have high stress levels, and you want your feet to feel silky smooth. By the way, these are the best no-show socks that do not slip down your foot. They are linked in my Amazon store. What I'm going to show you here today is this ooey gooey goodness. Can you guess what this is? Is it coconut oil? Is it Vaseline? Is it some sort of compound of baby oil and something else? Who knows? Let me know in that comments box below. By the way, this smells amazing and I'm feeling less stressed. By the way, as you can see here, my feet are pretty well moisturized because I do several of these techniques here. The next thing, I would recommend doing this before bed. The next thing that you want to do is go ahead and put your socks over your feet like so. You want to trap all that nice moisture in there so that it can lubricate your skin and make it feel silky smooth. And while you do this, this also clears up your sinuses containing menthol and eucalyptus. And my friend, if you guessed some good old Vicks Vapor Rub, this is not a sponsored video. I just try all the things and I share with you the results of that trial. This is no joke, my friend. This has been sitting on my feet for about 5 minutes and I feel like I have some sort of air conditioner or a fan blowing on my feet. If you're curious what happens when you put hydrogen peroxide on your feet, in fact, I would combine these two strategies right here before bedtime. Click the video on screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.